welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Madam.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Madam. If you're new here, welcome. And today guys, we're back with another vlog. And in the vlog today, we just having a little family outing. We at the beach, just eating, drinking, having fun as usual. So let's go with the vlog today guys.
Drink up! Ready?
Majority of the people here is Jamie's side of the family. You guys normally see like my side of the family, like Ali, Cassie, you know, my mother, my father, but this time it's Jamie's family. So the people you see here is his cousins, aunt, uncle, his mother and stuff. So, and also friends is also here also. So yeah, so we're just hanging out with the family. We decided to take out some pictures and stuff on the beach. Everybody had to update the Instagram, you know, you gotta update your Instagram pictures and stuff. So yeah, so that we're doing, and you guys see a little sneak peek of the Ice Gang t-shirts and stuff. Just now we have them for sale. Merch guys, merch are coming. So yeah, so let's go with the vlog. Also guys, don't forget you guys to book your shoot. Most of the time I'm on the shoot also holding the lights. So yes, so you can book your shoot. So you have Star and also me on the shoot. So you can book your shoot. Go to Stars Photography on Facebook and book your shoots guys. What you have on the grill?
Right now we have some fish in fall, and in the fall now we have some okra, we have some carrots, we have some peppers, you know. Proper thing on the grill here.
Alright.
Big up yourself, Miss Mali.
Hold on, who taking that picture there now? Who is that? Yeah, no t-shirt man.
I'll take your Justin, you'll come here Justin. Yeah, like man, are you ready? Very good.
By hiding your sign?
Sure?
Yeah. So that's the family guys. Michelle in the
boyfriend and girlfriend.
Boyfriend and girlfriend?
I want my with a big thing. I need one of the big things for me.
And the cooler. I think I need a drink. And the cooler. I think I will drink some wine. I will drink some wine. So this is Jinx 7 months since he been on the beach. Jinx, how it feels to be on the beach after 7 months?
Well, I will tell you when I go to water. If you want to wait.
Let's see, go on. You and Justin, 7 months. All you can spend 7 hours in the water now. Run, slow motion. So even the people that's here, right here, family. I need to get a new camera. Right now I have, I think it's a Samsung J72, something like that I have. And the camera sucks. That's the reason why you don't really see me like Snapchatting and Instagram and stuff like that, because my camera sucks. I always have to take out like professional pictures with Jamie camera. Other than that, I cannot take out pictures with my phone camera, and I need a good phone with a good camera. You understand? So yeah, I really need to get a new phone. I have 2 phones and 2 of them, the 2 cameras and 2 of them suck. So I just need maybe to sell 2 of them and just buy me a good camera, a good phone. But I really want the phone for the camera. Imagine that somebody who wants a phone for like the text and call and stuff, but I want the phone for the camera. So we're currently in the water. Guys, I cannot swim that well, so I'm on a tube, as you can see. One of them kids too. Yeah, we're having fun. Look, the kids are around. The kids are around. The kids in the tube. Hey, what is that? Oh my god, you have a lot of stone in the water. And I'm not a big, I love the sea water, but I'm not a big fan of the fishes and the reefs and the seaweed and the stone in the water. Yeah, so anything I see, I kind of scared. So yeah, we're in the water, having fun. I'm in a tube, trying not to get my camera wet. See that? Girls in the back. Oh my god. My eyelashes. My eyelashes is getting in the way. As you guys can see. You guys in the back. Say hi. Reach my up here. Yeah. Hey, don't wet the camera. My camera. Who's jumping like that? Yes, it's wet. Oh, wait, don't wet that bad. Please try to avoid wetting my camera. Where? Miss Madam. Miss yeah. Oh my god. Hold on. Right now we have some barbecue chicken on the grill. We had some fish before, so now we're barbecuing some chicken here.
For the street. I say for the street. Them youth never the street.
Okay.
I said the street.
So you're the man that doing this here?
I say man doing this thing.
Okay.
I'm stuck.
So he's the man.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I only hear saying put stag in the cooler. But I ain't saying no.
I see the beer, so you beer.
There's a lot of stag drinkers here today. A lot of stag drinkers. All you're only starting to put stag in the cooler. The camera is on you, Sean.
Subscribe to the channel, make sure to like, comment, share.
And this is one of my subscribers. He's always on the channel. It's nice to meet you, Sean. He's always first to comment on the video. Thank you, Sean, for supporting my channel.
Subscribe to my channel too.
Oh yeah, you have a channel. Say the name of your channel.
Sean Alexis.
Sean Alexis. So go over and subscribe to his channel also, guys. Thank you. Jaggy, a piece of chicken from the street. From the street. So tell you how it tasted. I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10. Well, I guess the son like it. It's eating up the bone in the back there. Oh boy, but eating up the bone there. You was hungry?
I don't eat bone, never.
Okay.
I never eat bone.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right now. The rain is gonna fall. I'm probably gonna leave maybe in the next half an hour, so I'm gonna end the vlog here now. I hope you guys subscribe, like. It's your girl it's your girl Miss Madam. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.